Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually complete the HCA application. So in the previous video, you guys saw how to get to our website and how to access the application. So you saw that from the home page, you scroll down and you click Enroll for 2021-2022. You click on that, you'll see the information nights, and at the bottom you'll see the 2021 HCA application. Click on that, and then you literally just start filling it out. Okay, so you guys can see that I put in my username, which is my email, and then I created a password. Then I'm going to click Let's Do This. So now it says, welcome, let's create your family profile to get started. Apply in 3 easy steps. So you click Let's Do This. So on this page, you're going to put in your family's information. So first it's going to start with your guardian, home address, city, mobile phone, and then you're going to either add another guardian or you're going to click Next. Once you have entered your family's information, next you're going to enter your information in the student information section. So after you enter the student information, it'll ask for a little bit more information, such as what school year you're applying for. It should already be set to the 2021-2022 school year. It's going to have you select your name, and I'm applying as Antonio Brown. So I'll make sure that that is highlighted. You scroll down, it's going to ask whether you currently attend Health Careers Academy. For most of you are in 8th grade, so it's going to be no. You're going to put what school you go to, and then right here you're going to put what's your current grade, which is 8th, and then the grade you're applying for, which is 9th. Then you're going to click Next. So once you click Next, it's going to bring you to this page. It's going to tell you choose preferred school. Since you're on this website, we already know you're applying to Health Careers Academy. So just make sure you click on that. Then you press Next. Once you've selected your school, it's time to fill out the application. You'll notice that some of the answers are filled in and some are not. You'll need to answer a few questions. You'll need to also check a few boxes. You'll notice that in a certain part, it's going to require you to sign. And then in another part, it'll require your parent or guardian to sign. Then at the very bottom, it's time to upload your documents. What you'll want to do is take a picture of any of the documents and upload them. We're going to be asking for a reference, which is really a letter of recommendation for yourself. We're going to require 2. Ask your counselor or teachers for your last report card. You should have it. You can ask your counselor or teacher for your discipline record. If you do not have one, it is acceptable for you to upload a document with your counselor's contact information and upload it. Please upload attendance records so you can upload your attendance. And then your most current test scores. I understand that in 7th grade, some of you didn't take tests. So try to upload your 6th grade test scores. Once you've uploaded all the documents, it should look something like this. Now, what you're going to want to do is press Next. Also, don't worry too much if you don't feel like you have the correct document. Try your best to upload the information. It is simply a picture. Cool. Now that you've finished applying to HCA, what you're going to want to do is press Submit. This is for us in order to get your application. And now you are done. Your application has been submitted. If you have any questions or any concerns or anything like that, or if you're having trouble with the document, feel free to reach out to our front office, reach out to your school counselor, or your parent or guardian may have that information for you. Remember, do your best on the application and keep it simple. Have a good day.